Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce a therapy known as intravenous laser therapy. Also referred to as ILIB, intravenous laser irradiation of blood. This therapy is an advanced technique widely used in both conventional and alternative medicine fields, aimed at improving overall health and promoting the body's self-repair. The basic principle of intravenous laser therapy is to use low-intensity laser beams to irradiate the blood as it passes through the veins. When the laser light penetrates the blood, it activates red blood cells, white blood cells, and other blood components, thereby promoting cellular metabolism and oxygen transport. The process of this therapy is relatively simple and painless, usually conducted in professional medical settings. During the intravenous laser therapy, the Aivita's doctor will first assess the patient's physical condition to determine whether this therapy is suitable. At the start of the treatment session, the patient will sit comfortably and have a venous catheter inserted into their arm. Then, the doctor will use laser equipment to direct the laser beam into the vein. The therapy typically lasts about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the patient's needs. Throughout the entire process, patients generally do not experience discomfort, similar to receiving an IV drip. Intravenous laser therapy offers numerous potential health benefits. For instance, it can help improve blood circulation, increase oxygen supply to tissues, and promote wound healing. Additionally, intravenous laser therapy is believed to help reduce inflammatory symptoms, relieve pain, and enhance the immune system. This therapy is particularly suitable for patients with chronic diseases, such as diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and other chronic inflammatory conditions. Many individuals who have undergone intravenous laser therapy report relief from their symptoms and improvements in their quality of life. The application range of intravenous laser therapy is quite broad. It is not limited to improving blood circulation and reducing pain, but is also utilized in aesthetic medicine. Some medical beauty clinics choose ILIB therapy to promote skin quality improvement and enhance skin tone and brightness. By promoting blood circulation, users find their skin appears healthier and smoother, and their overall complexion improves. Although intravenous laser therapy has many benefits, it is not suitable for everyone. Before undergoing the treatment, Aivita's medical professionals will conduct a comprehensive assessment to ensure the safety of the users. Thank you all for listening.